Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to wind your Invicta mechanical watch. So if you have an Invicta watch or any other mechanical watch, this is how you can wind your watch. Now before you want to wind the watch, you would need to pull the crown all the way in order to set the time. So you should do that before the actual winding of the watch. Always make sure to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. Then after you have set the time, push the crown all the way, and then by rotating the crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction, you can wind the watch, and you can also hear the watch winding. You can wind it for around 20 to 30 times, and at some point you will feel a little bit of resistance when you try to wind it even more. When that happens, it means that the watch is almost fully winded, so you can stop and start wearing your watch. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you, and see you on the next one.